Welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering Consultancy. Don't forget like, subscribe and share my channel. So start my video. Today I will discuss how to calculate quantity of cement, sand and aggregate for M20 concrete. Grade of concrete. So grade of concrete is equal to M20. I will discuss M20 concrete. M20 concrete ratio 1:1.5:3. 1:1.5:3. 1 is equal to cement. 1.5 is equal to sand. 3 is equal to aggregate. In 1 meter cube concrete, I will calculate quantity cement, sand and aggregate in 1 meter cube. Concrete. I will calculate quantity of cement, sand and aggregate of cement, sand and aggregate. So start. Sum of ratio. Cement 1, sand 1.5, aggregate 3. 1 plus 1.5 plus 3. Total 5.5. Now I find quantity of cement. Cement ratio 1, sum of ratio on 5.5. So, and I will calculate 1 meter cube concrete. In 1 meter cube concrete, calculate cement, sand and aggregate. So 5.5, 1 is equal to cement ratio, 5.5 sum of ratio into 1 meter cube concrete 1. If you calculate this, so answer is 0.18 meter cube. You also calculate this. If I calculate cement volume and weight, so one bag of cement weight 50 kg. Its volume 0.035 meter cube. If I calculate numbers of bag of cement, numbers of bag of cement if you calculate this answer will be 5.19 is near about 6. So we say 6 bags of cement. Now we calculate quantity of sand. Sand ratio 1.5, sum of ratio 5.5 into in 1 meter cube concrete 1. You calculate this, answer will be 0.28 meter cube. Quantity of aggregate. The ratio of aggregate 3, sum of ratio 5.5 into 1, 0. If you calculate this, 0.54 meter cube. So volume of, we calculate volume of cement, kg 6, and 1 bag of cement 50 kg, and number of bags 6 bags 300 kg. If I calculate volume of sand, the quantity of sand into unit weight of sand. Unit weight of sand 1450 kg per meter cube. If you calculate this, answer will be 392 kg. Next, volume of aggregate. Quantity of aggregate 0.54 meter cube. So quantity of aggregate into unit weight of aggregate. Quantity of aggregate is 0.5.4 meter cube. Unit weight of aggregate 1550 kg per meter cube. If you calculate this, answer will be 837 kg. If I use this method, I will able to solve M5, M7.5, M10, M15, M20, M25 and M30, M35 concrete mix. Okay, thank you.